In this video, I'll take you through the essential medical tests, vaccination requirements, and tips to help you prepare for your big move to Dubai. Before you join Emirates, you'll need to complete a self-declaration medical form. This is a detailed form where you'll declare your medical history, and please do not lie about anything. Give honest information. If additional information is needed, you may be required to visit your doctor, and visiting a dentist is mandatory to complete a dental form. It's important to note that any costs for these medical checks will be your responsibility. I have a number of applicants who ask me if Emirates will cater for the costs when you attend the assessment events, and to answer you, no they don't, because you're not their stuff just yet. So, all the costs you incur before you sign the contract with them, it is entirely your responsibility. Once you join Emirates, additional medical tests will be conducted by the Emirates Group. These tests are necessary for your residence visa and to meet the requirements set by the General Civil Aviation Authority. These tests are extremely thorough, so it's a good idea to do a medical checkup at home beforehand. This will ensure you're in good health and help you feel more relaxed during the process. However, be aware that some applicants' offers may be withdrawn based on their medical results. Conditions like being HIV positive, pregnancy, or other health concerns could affect your eligibility, and that's why you will see a number of applicants wondering why their offer was withdrawn. Now let's talk about vaccinations. You don't need to complete all the vaccinations listed in advance unless you choose to. However, there's one exception, the yellow fever vaccination. This is a requirement and can be done for free in Dubai after you've joined. When preparing to move to Dubai, it's crucial to pack wisely. Pack clothes for all seasons, including winter and summer clothing, because as cabin crew, you'll travel to destinations with a variety of climates. Again, as I mentioned in my previous videos, the training is completely free. Emirates Group will cater for your transport from your country to Dubai. That is, if you have signed the contract, they will cater for your visa, and provide you with free luxurious accommodation. Emirates will provide a basic starter pack for you, which includes snacks and essential home items like plates, spoons, and other kitchen tools. For appliances like an iron or hair dryer, you can buy those later once you've settled in. It's also a great idea to learn about Dubai's culture and cost of living before you move. The prices and cultural differences might be surprising at first, but being informed beforehand can help you avoid culture shock. Take some time to research the rules, lifestyle, and traditions in Dubai. This will help you adjust more smoothly to your new environment. Joining Emirates as cabin crew is an exciting journey, but it's important to be prepared. Make sure you've taken care of your medicals, vaccinations, and packing so you can start this new chapter confidently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cabin crew tips and insights. Wishing you all the best in your Emirates interview process.